and activities. From this session, we are going to see about chemistry in daily life, activities and information. Let's see. First, we'll see ORS solution. Already we know that how we can prepare ORS solution, that is oral rehydration solution. Here UNICEF and WHO, that is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, and WHO World Health Organization norms the ORS should be prepared as follows. New ORS: sodium chloride, glucose anhydrous, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate and dehydrate. So grams per liter, 2.6 in percentage 12.683, and glucose anhydrous per gram 13.5 in percentage 65.854, and potassium chloride per gram ORS solution 1.5 gram and percentage 7.317, and trisodium citrate and dehydrate per gram 2.9 or in percentage 14.146. So total 20.5 in percentage 100%. New ORS: sodium chloride, glucose anhydrous and potassium citrate, total osmolarity, so 245. Next, how we can protection of child from diarrhea. So these steps are very important. So hand washing, ORS solution, zinc nutrient, food fluids, sanitation, vaccination and vitamin A. These are the important for children from diarrhea, protection of children from diarrhea. Once again I'll repeat, hand washing is important and ORS solution is must. Next, zinc nutrient and food nutrients are must. Fluids, sanitation and vaccination and vitamin A nutrients is very must. So these steps are we should follow for protection of child from diarrhea. Next, antibiotics. An antibiotics is a type of antimicrobial substance, active agent of bacteria. It is the most important type of antibacterial agent for fighting bacterial infections. The antibiotics do not work for viruses like cold and the flu. So an antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance, active agent for bacteria. It is the most important type of antibacterial agent for fighting bacterial infections only. So antibiotics do not work for viruses like cold and the flu. Next, anesthetics. The first local anesthetic was cocaine, was isolated from coca leaves by Alfred Rimonian, Germany in 1860. Dettol and tincture. Have you ever the experience of tincture and Dettol? First, Dettol is mixture of chlorohexanol and triphenol. Next, tincture, a mixture of iodine plus 2 to 3% of alcohol. Next, water mixture, soap, iodoform, phenolic solutions, ethanol, boric acid, and are examples. Tincture, Dettol is mixture of chloroxylenol and terpicol, and tincture iodine plus 2 to 3% of alcohol, water mixture, soap, iodoform, phenolic solution, ethanol, boric acid. Children, always use medicine safely. I know I should never take any medicine that isn't meant for me. Next, I know medicine can be dangerous if you take the wrong amount. It tells you on the label how much to take. Next, I only take medicines when a grown up I trust gives them to me. Next step, I know medicines are not sweets and that they can be harmful. Next, I know it is important to store medicines out of reach of younger children. So these steps are important. Everyone should know these points. First, should never take any medicine that isn't meant for me. Next, medicines can be dangerous if you take the wrong amount. It tells you on the label how much you take. Next, take medicines when you're grown up. I trust to give them to me. Next, medicines not sweets and that they can be harmful. Last one, it is important to store medicines out of reach of younger children. So these steps are, children, you should be follow. Next one, candle flame. Already we know that the candle flame has three main zones. They are the outer zone, the middle zone, and the inner zone. The outer zone, complete combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is blue and is the hottest part of the flame. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. The outer flame. Outer flame is hottest part. Second, the middle zone. Middle zone of partially moderately hot. So the partially combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is yellow and is moderately hot part of the flame. It is the luminous part of the flame. Next, the inner zone. Inner zone means least hot. There are unburned vapors of the fuel and the color is black and is least hot part. Already we know that. So a candle flame is caused by vapor burning above the candle. This burning vapor is hotter than the surrounding air and is therefore less denser. So by the principle of convection, it rises so the flame is always upwards. That is the reason. From this lesson, chemistry in daily life lesson, we know that materials burns with oxygen to give light and heat. That is combustion. Next, white phosphorus flame, spontaneous combustion, slow combustion, fast combustion. In complete combustion, formation of coal. Stomach naturally produces gastric or hydrochloric acid HCl to help digest. Stomach naturally produces gastric or hydrochloric acid to help digest. And to cure diseases through scientific method, fight against the diseases, feeling may be a burning sensation in the tissue around the injury, and special combustion of dry salts that is mixed with safe water, and treating allergic reaction and cold symptoms. Antiseptic are substances applied to the exterior of a body that kill or inhibit microbes. The given table is calorific value of different fuels. Fuels: cow dung, cake, wood, coal, petrol, kerosene, diesel, methane, CNG, LPG. Already we know that CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and biogas, hydrogen. So calorific value of cow dung cake 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Wood 17,000 to 22,000. Coal 25,000 to 33,000. Petrol 45,000. Kerosene also 45,000. And diesel 4,50,000. Methane 5 lakhs. CNG 5,000. LPG 5,000. LPG 55,000, biogas 35,000 to 40,000, and hydrogen 1,50,000. Thank you, children. We have completed.